Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm gonna make assistant in PictoBlox. By the way, this is my first PictoBlox video ever. If before we start, make sure to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. Just make sure you do not skip. So let's get started. To start, you will need two of these, artificial intelligence and text-to-speech. How to add this? Go to here and there. You can add this and all you need is this. Okay, so once you already do this, go to the events, drag out the when green flag click, text-to-speech, set language to English or whatever language do you want. Set voice to whatever you want. Here there's alto, tenor, squeak, giant, and kitten. Well, do not pick kitten. It is cute, but it doesn't make sense like at all. So I'm gonna choose tenor. I'm gonna speak. Hello. What is your name? Okay. Then go to the artificial intelligence, recognize speech for 5 seconds or even 10 or I wait 5, just there. Then go to the text to speech, go to the operators, join. Go to the artificial intelligence, speech recognition results in the banana. Doesn't has to be banana. So hello. Then it should work very good.
Hello, what is your name?
Raka. This is me right here. You can finally see my face.
Hello, Rafa?
It worked. But he says Rafa instead of Raka. It's okay. Okay, so now you might thinking where is the question? So I'm gonna start now. Go to the control, drag out the forever. Then drag out the text to speech. What can I help you today? What can I help you today? Then go to the control, drag the if else, and oh yeah, artificial intelligence, recognize forever. What can I help you today? Recognize speech for whatever second you want, English or what language do you want, and whatever language you want. Fill this with operators like this. Is speech recognition result. Maybe how are you? You will answer whatever you want. I'm good, or I have my good idea. I am always good to help. I'm always good to help. Else, maybe like this. Sorry, I can't recognize your point. Try to say it again. Okay, so this should work, right? Okay.
Hello, what is your name?
Raka. It's me.
Hello, brother. What can I help you today?
How are you?
I am always good to help. What can I help you today?
See, it worked. It worked out very well. So, yeah, that's kind of how to make it. So, yeah. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like this video, don't forget to share and comment. So, bye.